Hi everyone, this is Simon with Food Travelers, and welcome to the very first episode of the Food Travelers Mini. For these episodes, we actually wanted to show a few tips or guides that we might come across that we thought could be helpful, for your next trip. And so for this very first one, we are actually on the Las Vegas Strip, and it is a tip to beat the heat. If you've ever been to the Strip and you're here, especially during the summer when it's 90, 100 degrees plus, you definitely don't want to be out and about walking on the Strip. So if you're able to go inside in the nice air-conditioned casinos, then you'll gonna skip that sunburn or just suffering in the heat. So as you'll see on the right side of your screen, there's kind of a map that's showing where you're walking within the casino, and the map is actually a top-down view, so you get an idea of kind of where you are as you're walking through the Bellagio casino, especially because it's such a large property, and we thought this might be helpful. So as you're walking through the casino itself, you'll start to make your way towards the Bellagio Conservatory, which is always spectacular with all its displays and a whole bunch of great things to look. They do change this quite often and depending on the season, so definitely something to come stop and take a look at, which is also one of the things I enjoy doing, taking this route as I walk through. And so if you continue forward, you'll see there's a series of hallways that are kind of within the hotel itself, and essentially you'll be walking through, which is really nice because when it's nice and hot outside, 100 degrees, you'll be in this cool air-conditioned hotel, so you don't have to go stand in the sun and burn yourself or anything else. And so as you're walking through, you'll eventually get to the doorway, which is headed towards the Vdara Hotel. You'll essentially hit a bridge that is covered, so it will get a little bit warmer as you walk out, but at least you're not directly in the sun itself. Once you get to the Vdara, you'll be walking through, and there will be upcoming a short kind of a walk as you will be outside, and so this is probably the hottest point as you're walking through outside, but it's very brief, so definitely better than walking the entire strip from Bellagio to Park MGM. So as you go into the aria, you're gonna make your way to the south entrance, and once at the south entrance, you will head your way up a series of elevators. At these elevators, there's also a tram that you can take as an option, and that tram will take you to Bellagio. The tram is free, and so that's kind of a nice thing, is you don't have to pay. However, it's not too long, so that's always an option, which is always good. So once you go through there, you'll be going down escalators again, and you'll also hit another series of hallways. And in this case, it's not too bad because it doesn't break off anywhere, and so it's pretty straightforward to follow. And you'll pretty much follow these hallways until you get to the casino floor of the Park MGM. And so once you're there, you're pretty much close to the very end. And as you walk through the casino itself, once you get to the other side, which is the strip side of the Park MGM, you'll have the option to either head towards Italy or the strip itself. And if not, there is this hallway just to the right, and you can actually go through, and right past those doors, you'll get to the end, and the end would be the New York Casino, which is across the street. So if you thought this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up and a like, and please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.